Last class, you have learnt origin of replication, RNA world and types of RNA. In this class, we will see the process of transcription and the structure of transcription unit. Let's see the structure of transcription unit. Before that, you have to learn about transcription. Transcription is the process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA. It is the first stage in the process of gene expression. As this genetic information in a gene is transferred to an messenger RNA which encodes a protein. Here, the DNA acts as a template for the synthesis of messenger RNA. This is based on the principle of complementarity, with one exception that adenine base pairs with uracil instead of thymine. In transcription, only a segment of DNA is duplicated and only one of the strands is copied into RNA. Suppose both the strands are copied, then both the strands code for RNA. Two different RNA molecules and two different proteins would be formed, hence complicating the genetic information transfer machinery. Then two RNA molecules complementary to each other are produced and form double-stranded RNA. Already you know RNA is a single-stranded. As a result, RNA does not translate into protein and the transcription process will be failed. Let's see the structure of transcription unit. The segment of DNA taking part in the transcription is called the transcription unit. It encodes for at least one gene. This unit consists of mainly three regions. They are a promoter, the structural gene, and a terminator. The two strands of DNA have opposite polarity. Already you know DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyze the polymerization in only one direction, that is 5' to 3'. The strand that has the polarity 3' to 5' acts as a template. That strand is known as template strand. The other strand which has the polarity 5' to 3', this strand is termed as coding strand. The sequence same as RNA. In RNA, thymine at the place of uracil is displaced during transcription. If you observe the transcription unit in the given picture, the promoter and terminator assign the structural gene in a transcription unit. The promoter is located towards 5' end of the structural gene. It is the DNA sequence that provides binding site for RNA polymerase, and the presence of promoter defines the template and coding strand by change in the position direction with terminator. The definition of coding and template strands could be reversed. The terminator is located towards 3' end of the coding strand and it usually defines the end of the process of transcription.